Te kembang aktif badan re teliki trigonometric ratios. Kita ada sin, cosec, cos, sec, tan, bat, cot. Teman ta ngasna table kumne ban ngala bo honne 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, ban 90 degree. Teman ta ngin wat yake values jong kini ke trigonometric ratios bar khait in tho hang tengin sedang kumna in le kumna nang kau nang sharp in tho shwa ne 0. Okay, you write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Temen ta pe yang ne ko ngan batai vi kumno ban yo yaki values ha ka trigonometric table. Te ban yo yaki values inde ban follow yaki steps kumbang la ong bu shwa 0 1 2 up to 4 nang ta sa divide pat da 4 how ini ba khai divided by 4 ang near divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 4. Okay, temta din fila to divided by 4 tengin divide kan divide 0 divided by 4 long karna 0 divided by anything is always 0. Hang 1 divided by 4 karna ngim laban divide ning shu e be into hang 1 2 divided by 4 ngim yo karna in shu cancel 2 times 1 2 times 2 common ngim yo karna 1 by 2. Hang 3 by 4 ngim laban divide ngim yo ko rayo yo numeral round number tingin English ka ni go ipat 0 4 divided by 4 and you can 1 4 up 4 down you can cancel tingin ya 1 teman-teman yang ada divide dan bu pan ya square root sign ha gini ba lo khai yang bu square root sign square root over of this number here square root over of all of them. So what is the square root over of 0? Square root over of 0 is equal to 0. Then square root over of 0 is equal to 0. And thought will come here. Now square root over of 1 is 1. Square root over of 4 is 2. Square root over of 1 is 1. Square root over of 2 is, and you talk it, root 2. Okay? Nama nginam yo your whole number. Square root over of 2 nginam yo your whole number. So you talk it, root over of 2 like this. Anta aniru square root over of 3 nginam yo your round number, whole number ngin talk it root 3. Root square root of 3 divided by square root over of 4 is 2. And square root over of 1 is how much? 1. Teman-teman ngalayo equivalence yang sin ba rokhait. Sin 0 degree ngalayo 0, sin 30 degree ngalayo 1 by 2, sin 45 degree ngalayo 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree ngalayo root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree ngalayo 1. Teman-teman okay, kebangin lemah yang jampan sama next ratio. Next trigonometric ratio apa ada cosec. Pengen yokum no ya value jo cosec. Okay, sure bang le show cosec, ngin skip show yang cosec, ngin le show cos. Okay, ngin skip ya cosec, ngin le show cos. Cos. Cos kumang yo ya value jo cos. In mechanic juga value si bang layo nrei we will write from right to left kemun ngan to shwa yo ni ba shaka right shaka ke kaman 1 ngan to shwa yo 1 hang ne. Okay, next they add in yang 1 root 3 by 2 man tangan tha hang ne Okay, next 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 untuk mentahan ne. Okay, next tengok shim astang suana 1 antara 3 by 2 antara 1 by root 2 mentahan pasal 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 mentahan tanah ne. After 1 by 2, hadin jong 1 by 2 mentah 0. Jadi 0 tanah ne. Okay, kemudian nilai yo equivalus jong cos. Jadi nilai yo equivalus jong sin berakhir, nilai yo equivalus jong cos berakhir. Sementara in skip yang yang negawai, yang sek nilai syaka next kemudian tan. Equivalus jong tan pada nilai kumna. Equivalus jong tan nilai nak bagi divide yo sin baru cos. Sin divided by cos is equal to tan. Kemudian sin dari ni, cos dari ni. In divide yo new sin, but yo new cos. 0 divided by 1 in your 0. Haga juga rekam hang ni ru sin divided by cos. Ni dia value jong sin, kan dia value jong cos. Teladang divide yo ni 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Number bade divide in cancel yo 2 by 2 ni denominator. In your 1 by 3 hang ni. Okay, 1 by root 3. Okay, ladang multiply nilai akan cancel ya numerator baru denominator. Nilai ladang divide 1 by root 2 divided by root 3 by 2 nilai akan cancel ya denominator baru denominator. Pementas next step, next column ang niru sin value jong sin divided by value jong cos. So 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Udah uju number paid same. So if it is the same, then we will get 1. Okay, kan mau? Ladang yang divide 3 divided by 3 you 1. Ladang yang divide 5 divided by 5 you also you 1. Kemudian same number you divide by itself you will get 1. Next, root 3 by 2 is the value of sin. 1 by 2 is the value of cos. So sin divided by cos. That means here root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 you have to cancel 2 to denominator. You will get root 3 divided by 1. Root 3 divided by 1. Okay, root 3 divided by 1 nganam tho. I will not write divided by 1 because 1 in the denominator is not written. Okay, ngim just tho yo 1 badan sepa show denominator. Next, 1 divided by 0. Kan ngin yo 1 divided by 0 nginam yo ngin tho what not defined. Number 1 divided by 0. Any number divided by 0 cannot be defined. Okay, menne have first column 0 divided by 1. Tengin yo kan 0 divided by 1 yo 0. And this is 0 divided by 1, but here it is 1 divided by 0. You see, so it is not defined. Cannot divide by 0. Sementara nilai na saka. Next, trigonometric ratio kata Indonesia cosec. Entahlah subha cosec. Kalau jong cosec 0 degree kan dia kena. He cosec udah reciprocal jong sin. Abang orang reciprocal jong sin kemudian udah reverse of sin. Okay, you can say upside down. Here if you see ladang ipek hanya di 0. 0 kemudian apa dan way 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1, 1. Ngim jithok yo divided by 1 apa? Ang ithok bitang 0. Tekan mau 0 divided by 1. Sementara lang ikala ulta fulta ya kan ya. Ulta fulta ani upside down kan lang na 1 divided by 0 kan. So thok ang ne 1 divided by 0. Ndai divided by 0 ngang ong menne divided by 0 ngang ong menne kade not defined. Tang ne ru 1 divided by 0 nginam thok kumne ngin thok not defined. ND. Okay. Not defined. Nero, we have to turn this upside down. 1 by 2. Kan long not 2 by 1. 2 by 1. Divided by 1 ngalong ipim dan kaman tha should tha bitang 2. Okay? Only 2. Pila bentuk tang 2. So here also upside down 1 by root 2 will become root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 by 1 menentukan bentuk. And ini ada kalau ulta fulta upside down you will get 2 by root 3. And here 1 kemudian apa denominator dan i divided by what? 1. So 1 divided by 1. Ini yo kerja 1 divided by 1 not 1 by 1. Okay, divided by 1 in no need to write menentukan bentuk. Ini yo value jong cosec tu baru kait. Sa kerja kerekam ke value jong sec. Ini yo ada kabar pengkala Kongpong ya kini ke value jong cos. Nomor sec is the reciprocal of cos. Lani ke value jong sec ini yo ada kabar pengkala ulta fulta lani upside down ke value jong cos. Mentah ni 1. Value jong cos di 1 divided by apa dan i 1. So 1 divided by 1 ini yo 1 divided by 1 kerja. Ya. Okay, ini 1. Next, root 3 divided by 2. Let us even color upside down, pin 2 divided by root 3. Next, 1 by root 2, pin root 2 by 1. By 1, no need to mention, no need to write. So 1 by 2, you'll get 2 by 1. 2 by 1, no need to write 1. 0 is divided by what here? By 1. 0 means divided by 1. So 0 by 1, if you turn this, you'll get 1 by 0. 1 by 0, as I told you, is not defined. Okay? And D, not defined. Next, sa tamu cot. The cot kavalu jung cot haju kerkam ni dia ban kepen kala upside down yo 10. Okay? Because cot is the reciprocal of 10. This is here is 0 by 1. 0 by 1 ninyo ada pengkala fulta yo 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means what? Not defined. Here 1 by root 3. So let us if you pengkala upside down you root 3 by 1 divided by 1 no need to mention it, right? 1 by 1 if you turn it you will get 1 by 1 same. And then the root 3 by then we have 1. So root 3 by 1. Let us pengkala yo 1 by root 3. Okay, and here in D come out 1 by 0. Ini lawan mana 1 by 0. Ada siapa yang kan ni ulta fulta upside down. Yuk 0 by 1. 0 divided by 1 divided by 1 nginum tha terkemut tang 0 kan. Ya. Tela ada feedback akan table. Anak wai buat ngila yo ya kita ya values jong baru andre utility trigonometric ratios. Tela dah film dah sentuh saya pila pan page biang yang ke video na do pasdang. Okay, page biang yang video na do pasdang bas persiang ban sangap ba ya ke jeng batai. Ban nalar kata pila ruban comment lada video kam jeng batai susok nang mandu batai saja simpan hakwe pagorkam. Hubleshiban.